Hello everybody, welcome to my review channel on YouTube, Review Homes. Today I'm doing a review on the 2-pack digital, today I'm doing a review on a pack of 2 4-digit combination padlock from Oria. These are the padlocks. Nowadays, padlock is very important because there are loads of people trying to get into one's property, one's house, one's van. So, 4-digit combination padlocks comes in handy. Now, these are 2 packs, as I said. The set includes 2 combination padlock which add security to your property. The codes are originally set at 000, reset as soon as you receive it. Advisable. In multiple usage, they're designed for most light duty tasks such as gym, sports, schools, employees locker, cabinets, cases, and so on. It's a high security padlock made from zinc alloy with durability and very strong. Zinc is a very strong metal. See, it's going to be very difficult for somebody to try and cut this open or damage it. It's quite solid. I can say that, easy to use. It's got an excellent design. The metal is anti-rust, so it can be left outside. Yeah. It's got 10,000 combinations that one can set the combinations to. Did you hear that? 10,000 combinations. Wow. Nobody can go through that within a minute that they want to break in. It's also guaranteed as well. So this is quite nice. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put Oria's web link at the bottom of the video. So if you're interested in buying, just click on the link at the bottom of the video, and it will take you straight to Oria's web page on Amazon. Yeah, it will take you directly to Oria UK's web page on Amazon, so you don't need to be looking for a link to click or start searching on Amazon before you can buy it, because these are very strong, cool, rust-free, 10,000 combination possibility, and very strong key and padlock. No keys necessary. Advice: when you change the combination, memorize it or put it safe somewhere. Well, the link will be at the bottom of the video. I'm gonna put part of the video on my new Facebook page as well. Yeah, I've just created Review Homes Facebook page, brand new. I'm gonna put part of the video and some pictures on my Facebook, so please check it out. The link will be below as well. Will be below the video. Please thumbs up if you like my video, and you can leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well, because I've got more reviews to come. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bang bang.